Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners review for today. Today's review is on the Wolf Garten CultiWeeder. This is a new tool which I purchased with some of my Christmas money, so I wanted to give a review on it and show you guys and girls how it gets on. So let's see what it looks like. So this is the CultiWeeder. As you can see, it's quite small, it's quite thin, so it should get in between the gaps of the vegetables. That's what it's advertised for ideally scraping in between the vegetables and to get those weeds out without damaging your vegetables. Obviously leaving enough gap between your vegetables so that you can use this. So let's see how it gets on. As you can see, it's got 3 sharp prongs, so you don't want children messing around with this, and also it's got the hoe on the back to scrape the weeds out as well, to get that bit out like that. So let's see if it fits to the handle well. So this is the handle that I've got. This is the long one. I'm a very tall person, 6'5". Obviously you can go for the smaller handle because it could be used as a hand tool as well as a long reach one. But if you're using a long reach one, make sure you get the right length handle for the size that you are, so that you're not damaging your back. So let's see if it clips in nicely. It's very light, it's not heavy at all. So that should just clip in just like that. Perfect, look at that, nice and snug. It don't come out, it's locked in, ready for action. Let's see if it comes out easily. It comes out nice easy. And as you can see, it has a hole in the end. That hole obviously is for the clipping mechanism, but it's also for hanging it up as well, so you can hang it up in your shed. But I won't be leaving these down in the allotment because I don't want them to get pinched. So let's trial it in action and see how well it works. These are my garlic which I planted last year, so I've left enough space in between obviously to weed them. So let's see how good it is. And look at that, just glides through the soil perfectly. And obviously that can get out the weeds lovely, just like that, keeping it nicely weeded free. Perfectly. I'm liking this tool. This will certainly come in handy, keeping the weeds down, which I am not very good at doing. The weeds always win me, every year. Every year I say I'm going to do better, but the weeds always win, every year. So look at that, it grounds it up lovely into a nice breakable soil, and it looks absolutely perfect. So if you keep on top of your vegetables like this, it will keep the weeds down perfectly. So let's try the other side, the hoe. Which does the same sort of job, but I must admit that side is much better. So overall, I give this tool possibly 4.8. That is high on the scale. It does the job fantastic. It grates up the soil, it gets the weeds out in between the vegetables. It's small enough to fit in between the rows. So yeah, I definitely recommend this product, and I can't wait to get my next Wolf Garten product to have a look at. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Check the description below and check my full review out on this product. And remember to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with more reviews, and remember to give it the thumbs up. So thanks for watching today's review on the Wolf Garten CultiWeeder, and stay tuned until next time. Keep gardening.